Frog parking only, all others will be toad. A silly joke, isn't it? But it makes you think, what exactly is the difference between a frog and a toad? Join me as we journey into the wonderful world of amphibians and discover the unique characteristics of frogs and toads. We'll learn about their physical differences, their preferred habitats, and their fascinating behaviors. Get ready to explore the hopping, croaking world of these amazing creatures. Frogs and toads belong to the order Anura, which means without a tail. Both are amphibians, creatures who begin life in water and later adapt to life on land. But while they might seem similar at first glance, there are key differences that set them apart. These differences aren't just skin deep, they reflect the unique ways frogs and toads have adapted to their environments and lifestyles. So let's dive deeper and explore these fascinating creatures in more detail. Frogs are known for their smooth, moist skin. Think of them as the athletes of the amphibian world, sleek and agile. This moist skin is important because frogs can actually breathe through it. They also absorb water through their skin, so they don't need to drink. Toads, on the other hand, have dry, bumpy skin. Their skin is thicker and more waterproof, which allows them to live further away from water. Those bumps you see, those are glands that can secrete toxins to deter predators. Section 4. A home is where the swamp is. Frogs are usually found near water sources like ponds, lakes, and streams. These amphibians thrive in moist environments where they can easily access water. The presence of water is crucial for their survival as it helps them maintain their hydration and provides a habitat for their young. They need to keep their skin moist, and their young, called tadpoles, develop in water. Tadpoles are aquatic and rely on water for their initial stages of life. As they grow, they undergo metamorphosis, transforming from water-bound creatures into land-dwelling frogs. Look for them amongst the reeds and lily pads, their bright eyes peeking out from the water's edge. These spots provide excellent camouflage and protection from predators. Frogs are often seen basking on lily pads or hiding among the reeds, blending seamlessly with their surroundings. Toads, with their tougher skin, can tolerate drier environments. Unlike frogs, toads have adapted to live in less moist conditions. Their skin is more resilient, allowing them to venture further from water sources without drying out. They might be found in gardens, forests, and even deserts. Toads are incredibly versatile and can inhabit a variety of environments. Their ability to survive in such diverse habitats is a testament to their adaptability and resilience. They still need to return to water to lay their eggs, but they aren't as tied to it as their froggy cousins. While toads can live away from water for extended periods, they must return to aquatic environments to reproduce. This ensures the survival of their offspring, who, like frog tadpoles, start their lives in water. Section 5. Hopping to different beats. Frogs are known for their powerful leaps. Their long, strong legs are built for jumping great distances, whether escaping predators or catching a tasty insect. Some frogs can even climb trees, using sticky pads on their toes to cling to vertical surfaces. Toads, with their shorter legs, are better walkers and hoppers. They tend to be more terrestrial than frogs, preferring to crawl and scuttle along the ground. While they might not be Olympic jumpers, they are masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. Section 6. Fun facts from the frog pond. Did you know that there are over 7,000 species of frogs and toads around the world? These fascinating creatures inhabit every continent except Antarctica, showcasing an incredible range of adaptations and behaviors. From the tiny dart poison frog, no bigger than a thumbnail, which carries enough poison to harm several humans, to the Goliath frog, which can grow over a foot long and weigh as much as a house cat. These amphibians are truly diverse. These amphibians come in a dazzling array of shapes, sizes and colors. Some are bright and colorful to warn predators of their toxicity, while others blend seamlessly into their surroundings to avoid detection. Some frogs, like the glass frog, have translucent skin, allowing you to see their internal organs. This unique feature helps them camouflage in their environment by mimicking the appearance of water droplets on leaves. It's like having a window into their tiny, complex bodies, and the hairy frog of Africa can actually break its own bones to create claws, a defense mechanism that sounds like something out of a superhero comic. This remarkable adaptation helps it fend off predators in the wild. Frogs and toads are not just fascinating to look at, they play crucial roles in their ecosystems, from controlling insect populations to serving as indicators of environmental health. Section 7. The Amphibian Orchestra. Frogs and toads play a vital role in their ecosystems. These fascinating creatures are not just simple amphibians hopping around, they are integral to the balance of nature. Their presence in an environment is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. They help control insect populations, which can otherwise become overwhelming and cause damage to crops and other plants. They are important indicators of environmental health, and their presence or absence can tell us a lot about the health of a habitat. When frogs and toads start to disappear, it often signals that something is wrong in the environment, such as pollution or climate change. Scientists closely monitor amphibian populations to understand the broader impacts on the ecosystem. As both predators and prey, they help to keep insect populations in check and provide food for larger animals. Frogs and toads consume vast quantities of insects, including pests that can harm human agriculture. In turn, they are a crucial food source for birds, snakes, and other wildlife, creating a balanced food web. Their unique calls, from the ribbit of a tiny tree frog to the deep croak of a bullfrog, fill the night air, creating a symphony of life in wetlands and forests around the world. These calls are not just beautiful, they are also a means of communication, helping frogs and toads find mates and establish territories. So, next time you hear the chorus of frogs and toads, take a moment to appreciate these amazing creatures and the important role they play in our planet's delicate web of life. Their songs are a reminder of the intricate connections that sustain our natural world and the beauty that lies within it. Frog parking only, all others will be towed. This light-hearted sign brings a smile to our faces, but it also serves as a gentle reminder of the whimsical and wonderful world of amphibians. A silly joke, but it reminds us of the incredible diversity of the natural world and the fascinating creatures that share our planet. From the smallest tree frog to the largest toad, each species has its own unique role and contributes to the rich tapestry of life on Earth. Let's cherish and protect these remarkable beings for future generations to enjoy.